All right, out of the box. You know, you're going to be taking this out of the box, so you're going to be wanting to put it together. And at this point, what's going to happen is that this extension and tube filter is going to be attached to the test module itself. You actually want to remove that off of out of there and put it over on this side. Take out this connector and replace it over here. And then put this one over here. And that is just simply to filter out the air that's being pulled through the unit for calibration and fresh air setup. The reason this is typically there is because these get set up in garages or areas, shops and stuff where it might be dusty or dirty. So that's the main reason this is here. If it's set up in a nice clean office environment, there's hardly a need for it, but just as a safety precaution, it's always a good idea. But it will come attached to the module. You want to take the connector off of the cylinder holder, put it on there, and then put the filter on this side. Because at this point, what you're going to also need to do is to take out these screws. Back as well. And then you want to attach the two components together. And you want to make sure that you do this very linearly, in a linear fashion, because you want to make sure that you don't twist or torque any of those connectors, and they don't get like moved up. So that one's going together just fine. But they just snug together like that until they're snug, until they're tight. And then sometimes you probably need to press them together a little bit. We'll plug it in after this and we'll be able to illustrate that as well. Okay, you're ready to go on this. Now you want to plug it in on the back of the unit. This is where the plug is, and you want to look right underneath here. This is where it is. So, and there's only one. Once you plug it in, you're ready to go. You don't have to plug in the cylinder holder, only that unit. And now it's going to go through its setup phase. You can go ahead and peel off the protective layer if you want, and then let it go through its startup mode. So, okay, it's now ready to go when it reads insert instrument. So it ramps up and it's pretty much ready to go at that point.